Welcome everyone. In today's video, we'll tell the full story of Netflix, how it started as a small DVD rental company and became a global streaming giant with hit series, live sports, and even theme parks. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. The story begins in 1997 in California, when Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph had the idea to rent DVDs by mail. They first considered selling VHS tapes online, but realized they were too big and fragile. DVDs had just arrived in the US and were perfect for shipping. After testing the idea by mailing a CD, they saw it could work and launched Netflix in 1998, the world's first online DVD rental service. At first, users paid per DVD with late fees. But in 1999, Netflix introduced a monthly subscription with unlimited rentals and no late fees. This new model attracted more customers and created loyalty. In 2000, they even tried to sell the company to Blockbuster for $50 million, but Blockbuster refused, a decision many now see as a huge mistake. Netflix kept growing. By 2007, it had shipped over 1 billion DVDs. That same year, they launched video streaming as an extra service for subscribers, letting people watch movies online. It was still early, with slow internet and few titles, but the company believed this was the future.
In 2010, Netflix separated the streaming and DVD services and expanded internationally, starting in Canada. In 2011, they arrived in Brazil and other countries in Latin America, then expanded across Europe and beyond. Meanwhile, they began to create their own content instead of relying only on other studios. In 2013, they released House of Cards, their first original show. It was a big success, followed by other hits like Orange is the New Black and BoJack Horseman.
By 2015, Netflix had over 69 million subscribers. In 2016, it became available in more than 190 countries, aiming to reach the whole world. The company invested heavily in original series and movies, including productions from countries like Spain, Germany, Brazil, and South Korea, showing that language was no longer a barrier. While competition from Disney+, HBO Max, and other services increased, Netflix kept growing. During the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, when people stayed home, Netflix gained over 36 million new subscribers, reaching more than 200 million in total. That year, it also released global hits like The Witcher, La Casa de Papel, Dark, Lupin, and Stranger Things. Netflix kept innovating. They tested new features like a live 24-hour channel, Netflix Direct, launched free mobile plans in some countries, introduced a cheaper ad-supported subscription, and started limiting password sharing. They also entered the gaming world, buying small studios and releasing games inside the mobile app, free for subscribers. In 2023, Netflix made a surprising move into live sports. They signed a $5 billion deal with WWE to stream wrestling events, and later that year broadcasted 3 NFL games during Christmas, including a show with Beyoncé. The event had record-breaking viewership. Netflix also announced physical locations called Netflix House, themed spaces inside malls with activities, stores, and restaurants based on their shows. These will open in 2025, with a bigger one planned for Las Vegas in 2027. Over the years, Netflix has completely changed how people watch entertainment. Before, we were stuck with TV schedules and DVDs. Now we can stream anything, anytime, anywhere. Netflix proved that internet series could win major awards, and that international stories could become global hits like Dark, La Casa de Papel, Round 6, and Narcos. The company also became famous for its unique work culture, with freedom and responsibility as core values, explained in the book No Rules Rules by Reed Hastings. In 2021, Netflix was worth more than Disney, and by 2023 had over 232 million subscribers. Even today, Netflix keeps evolving, investing in AI, live content, interactive games, real-world experiences, and more. But it also faces challenges like strong competition, slower growth in some markets, and the need to balance quality with quantity. The future may bring better content choices, new subscription types, more live and physical events, or even partnerships with tech giants. One thing is clear: Netflix has already changed the entertainment world forever. So what did you think of this journey? Did you use Netflix in the DVD days? Do you have a favorite Netflix original? Leave a comment below, like the video, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.